subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, comment, and like. Today, I'm going to do this video how to check the valves. If the valves are sit well, you get your petrol, then this is the inlet side. So we're going to pour the petrol and check whether the valve that you grind sit well or not, or you suspect some slight bend in the valves. So what to do to check up is the petrol that you use. So you pour your petrol through them and see whether you see a leakage coming out, as the petrol coming out or not. Okay, let's check. Let's check this one. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. See, that means the valve has sit well. There's no space, and then the valve too is not bent. So this is it. This is the inlet side. So we are going to check the exhaust side too. And see the petrol coming out. Okay. This is the exhaust side too. So we are going to check the exhaust side. Check the exhaust side. This one too is okay. There's no bend and there's no leakages on the exhaust side. So you do this after you grind your valves, new valves, or you suspect that the valves have got slight bend in the head. So this is what you're supposed to do. Get your petrol, then the head, this is the exhaust side. You do exhaust side finish, then go to the inlet side. Thank you.